Draw the number 22. Now draw the letter U. After draw a line, draw the letter O and complete its eye. Now draw a line and fill up the line. Draw dot dot. Draw its eye. Draw the dog's mouth and neck. Draw its hair. Draw this design and fill up the color. You can draw another different color. So dear friends, if you are new viewers in our channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel. If you are viewers from Facebook page, you can follow our Facebook page. Dear friends, now I am drawing its leg, and now I draw its body step by step and connect the line. Now I am drawing its another leg and connect the line. Draw its belly with a curved line. Now I am drawing its another leg. So dear friends, if you like this video, please like, comment and share this video. Now I am complete its tail. So dear friends, thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and share this video. Bye bye.